In this video, let's look at the way that you use PayPal buyer protection. Now, if you paid for a product from PayPal, there are a few situations where you are eligible for buyer protection. For example, if you pay for the product and you did not receive the product, or if you received the product and it was different from what you ordered. In these cases, you'll be allowed for buyer protection from PayPal. So it says right here under the PayPal buyer protection section, you need to create a dispute, and inside a dispute, you'll exchange messages with the other party in the resolution center. The dispute will be created for 20 days, and after 20 days, the dispute will be closed. And in the 20-day period, PayPal will take a look at the issue, and if PayPal is on your side, and if they think that the issue is with you and not the seller, your amount will be refunded back to your PayPal account. There are a few situations where you cannot claim the buyer protection. As you can see in this section, some items aren't eligible for our buyer protections. It includes motor vehicles, industrial machinery, real estate, etc. So if you purchased or paid for these items using PayPal, you won't be eligible for the buyer protection. But outside of these categories, you'll be able to easily dispute or create a dispute so that PayPal is on your side and you can get a refund. So inside of the resolution center, you'll be able to create a dispute. So that's the way that you use the PayPal buyer protection. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.